Meaning of erroneously.
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 Erroneously. The word erroneously means something that is mistaken or incorrect. When a statement or action is described as erroneous, it suggests that there was an error in judgment or a misinterpretation of the facts. Erroneous conclusions can bring about negative consequences, especially in situations where decisions are based on inaccurate information. It is important to carefully evaluate the accuracy of information before drawing any conclusions or taking any actions based on it. Failing to do so can lead to erroneous decisions and the consequent negative impacts.